I want to see if I can catch myself a fish for dinner, and usually the fishing's better when you're fishing underneath cliffs as opposed to beach. Oh, hello, Liz. It's a little baby salmon. Oh, I got the little baby silver. Won't fill me up, but he'll taste just fine. We'll keep him. The kelp greenling aren't horrible, but I like other fish better, and I think I'm gonna catch something. Oh, we got a big one. We got a nice fish. Ooh! Whoa, look at that. I believe this is a copper rockfish. I'm gonna go ahead and put him back. You're only allowed to keep one of those per day.